From the QuickLink Manager portal, you can adjust various settings and take control of your Studio in a Box solution. Now you can see I have an ST500 signed in and available on the device list here. So what I'm going to do is open up the settings for that one by clicking on the cog. Now you can see that you can change the name up the top if you want to, and then you have some input settings here. So you can change the camera input format, camera frequency, the internal AV source here. You can allow or block the camera settings online. So that means that if you were to click camera settings just down here, that will open up a web page and you can view and change your camera settings. We also have some options for audio input here, depending on which audio device you are using. And then we have the two audio modes that you would expect to see here. So we've got 2-channel and echo cancellation. You can also view a preview of your SIB. So here we go. Here's the view from our green room here. And you can also talk back via the intercom option at the bottom here to anybody on the other end. So heading over to the output settings, we've got a couple here. So we can select our audio output device, and then we can set a buffer as well if we want to. And as with conventional servers, we also have Windows Update settings here as well that you can configure. Now, what you can do extra on a Studio in a Box solution that you can't do on a normal server is access all the control options here. So if I click this icon, you'll see that I've got all the studio control for the ST500 here. And if I change the size of this, see that I'm team viewed on to the SIB itself. And you can see that when I affect this, this will make some changes. You see I can change the orientation. I can chuck some color bars in there if we're doing a test. So we've got the chroma keying options, internal light settings. You can start your recording. Now you can move the camera around as well. So if I were to press that, there we go. You see I'm adjusting the shot there. Some autofocus, PTZ presets if you're using any of them or have any set up. Camera settings again, so that's the same camera settings as you saw in the settings that we just looked at. We've also got some audio gain bars down here as well, so you can set your audio levels, and then some DMX control of your lighting in there. So as you can see, you have complete control. Even when not actually with your Studio in a Box solution, you can do it all entirely from the portal. Thank you for watching. You can access other instruction videos on our YouTube channel or by navigating to support.quicklink.tv.